you Koon Wall Tong. It's a traditional detoxing. Is this something like subway creeping through the back? It should normally be. The health should creep in front of you, no matter where you are. None of the convenient foods will ever bring about the health and the health properties that you really need to keep you alert and healthy, right? Oh, lovely. So you can have hot or cold?
Yeah.
Right. Which one is better, cold or the hot? Cold one depend on how you feel, right? Okay. So here we are, the jelly. So that's the original taste. That's the original taste. It's not the black jelly actually. And it's 5. Here folks, I'm having the traditional herbal Chinese medicine in a bowl. It's lovely. And it's my second round here, folks, and it's absolutely bittersweet. But that's what makes it good health. Thank you. This time I had a haircut. Vegetarian, relaxing, cooling. The old ancient Chinese and Asian and Indian remedies were really good. So there you go, traditional herbal jelly, Guilinggao. Is that right? Detoxifies body. Prevention is better than cure. It's a good way of looking at it. Yes. So relieves itchiness, detoxification, eliminates pimples and cold sores, dispels heat from body, relieves indigestion, strengthens the sapling, improves the increasability. How's an authentic herbal jelly? Made from mild Chinese herbal ingredients, delicious, authentic, bitter, sweet taste, suitable for all ages and gender. The unique in recipe, excellent in efficacy, quality and freshness guaranteed, restores good health and youthfulness. Regularity concerns.